This is Freedom Builder like you've never seen. It's no question that we are heading into uncertainty in the economy, interest rates, and the real estate market. But what shouldn't be shifting are your goals and dreams around real estate. I know you still have the drive to quit your 9-to-5, to live financially free.
Because it's not about money, it's about time freedom. It's about going where you want, when you want, just because. Not checking your bank account all the time. Taking your kids on that amazing Disney trip without a second thought. It's about taking control of your life and your future.
Investing in real estate can bring you that freedom, the way it's done for us. In less than 4 years, I've become financially independent before the age of 35, all through scaling up my real estate portfolio. We had our dream wedding, moved into our dream house, and we're now able to enjoy an amazing life with the ability to travel whenever we want and support our loved ones along the way. We went from literally living in a basement apartment like this to living the life of our dreams in a very short period of time. And it's only going to get harder from here for millennials to own homes and for people who are retiring to have a pension that they can live off of. And that's why I founded Freedom Builder, to give back and help the next generation of investors achieve their own financial freedom. This is no ordinary mastermind group. We are going to equip you with the tools, the accountability, and the expert training, and a network you can call a family in order to equip you for a lifestyle by design. With a mixture of one-on-one accountability coaching, masterminding, and networking with your fellow real estate investors, we're gonna make sure that you have everything you need to succeed and grow an amazing real estate portfolio. This is what we all want, a journey with like-minded investors coming together and helping each other along the way. In this network, you're not just gonna have peers, you will have top caliber coaches, developers with over thousands of units in their portfolio, and other expert speakers who are gonna come, hold you accountable, and show you the way to creating an amazing portfolio for success. We're also gonna have some incredible in-person meetups, site visits, and networking opportunities so you can get deals done. At the end of the day, we're all here to help you live your lifestyle by design. You get to choose where to work, when to work, and go on vacation whenever you like. And we're here to give you the tools and the support, along with other investors who are gonna become like family to help you along in this journey. We can't wait to see what you achieve in Freedom Builder.